Hello everyone, myself Satish Ji. I am currently pursuing in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineer first year MBA. So let us known as today as my topic is planning and collecting the data of research resource and the research data collection. A comprehensive guide. Research data collection is a crucial step in the research process. It involves gathering information and evidence to answer your research questions, and the quality of your data will be directly impact the validity and the reliability of your findings. And next is defining the research questions. And first is start with a clear questions, and second is understanding the scope, and third is identify variables, and fourth is reviewing existing literature. And first is start with a clear question. Formative is specific, measurable and achievable, relevant and a time bound and smart question that guides you research. And second is understand the scope. Define the boundaries of your research and the population you intend to study. And third is identify variables. Determining the key variables that will be investigated and that relationship and you aim the explore. And fourth is review the extensive literature and explore previous research in your topic or to refine your question and identify gaps in knowledge. And next is selecting the approach. Data collection methods. And first is survey. Survey is a structured way to gather a quality quality data from a large sample that can be administrative online in a person or through mail. And next is interviews. The interviews allows the for depth of qualitative data collection that may can be structured, semi-structured or unstructured depending on your research needs. And next is observation. Observation involves recording the behavior and the events in a natural settings, and these methods can be used to collect the both qualitative and quantitative data. And next is document review. Reviewing the existing documents such as reports and articles or historical reports can be provided validity in set of content. And next is designing data collection instruction. And first is determine variables, and second is develop questions, and third is pilot test, and fourth is refine and finalize. And first is determine variables. Clearly identify the variables you want to measure and the type of data you need, example quantitative and qualitative. And next is develop questions. Craft clear and concise and unbiased questions that effectively elect the design information from responsibilities. And next is pilot test. Administrative, your instruments to a small sample before website and to use the very and potential issues of a umbrella. And next is refine and finalize. Make necessary adjustment based on your pilot test feedback and finalize the data collection of instrument. And next we can go and next is sampling techniques and considerations. And first is probability sampling, and second is non-probability sampling, and third is sample size. In first probability sample, in every member of a population as a know the change of being selected for the sample as example include the same rhythm sampling, satisfaction sampling and cluster sampling. And next is non-profitable probable sampling. The selection of the participants is not based on random chance Examples includes conveniences, samplings and proposed samplings and small and snowball sampling. And next is samples. The size of your sample should be accurate to represent the population accurate and ensure the statistically significant findings. And next is pilot testing and data collection process. And first is data conduct a pilot test. Augmentation is a data collection instrumentation to a small group of participants respective of your target population. And second is gather feedback. The main importance is gather feedback. Seek the feedback from the participants on the clarity, relevant, and feasibility and of the most instrumental and overall data collection of the process is the main important that we should have to collect the data from the everyone. And next is refine and improve. Refine and improve is a simple make adjustment to the instruments prevalence and our instrument based on the pilot test findings. And next is implementation of the the data collection plan. First, ensure ethical consideration. We should have the ethical consideration. And second is recruit participants, and it is not planning. And third is administration data collection instruments. And fourth is document data accurate. Main is the documents has to be correct to the accurate. And fifth is maintains the data security. Means we should have develop collect the data correctly. And next is ensure data quality and integrate. First is accuracy. The double check the data for the errors and inconsistencies. And next is completeness. Ensure that all relevant data points are being collected. And next is consistency. Verify that the document consistency across different sources and methods. And next is relativity. Access the relativity of the data connection methods and instruments. And next is final conclusion. Collecting the high quality research data is essential for producing valid and reliable finding by following a structured approach, carefully designing data collection instruments, and ensuring the data quality. Research can gather valuable information to the answer the research questions and contribute to the advancement of knowledge. Thank you.